This 2018 Jayco Alante 31R is a Class A RV. It is located in Dover, Florida, 33527 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco and features sleeps 9, Slideout, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment. This 2018 Jayco Alante 31R is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.